Here, I have taken cuttings from 3 different colored Thanksgiving cactus or false Christmas cactus plants. These types of cacti do not have leaves. These are actually modified stems that act as photosynthetic organs. The stems are composed of segments, as you can see here, and these narrow bases of the stem are very active in root formation. So first we need to separate the stems. Here I have taken a sharp sterilized blade which will give me clean cuts. You can take every single stem section to propagate or can take 2 or 3 of stem segments containing cuttings. Now take a clean glass and fill it with water, leaving the top few inches empty. Then cover the glass with a clean plastic sheet and secure it. Then simply make some flat holes and gently insert the base of the cuttings. Make sure the base is touching the water as I have done. And now keep this in a bright place. As I have covered the glass, it will trap the evaporated water. Also, it will prevent bacterial growth, so you do not need to change the water. You just need to add water if the water level declines from the base of the plant. And after a week, I can see the cuttings have roots and they are ready to be transplanted into the soil. The roots of the water propagation are soft and sensitive compared to the soil propagation. So here I am repotting the cuttings in cactus soil. You can get the video link of the potting mix recipe from the description box. Then water thoroughly and maintain constant moisture for the next 4 days in order to acclimate the cutting roots into the soil. This propagation method is easy and root the cuttings fast, so you can propagate the holiday cactus and the Easter cactus following this propagation method as well.